Good morning, all of you, all the second year students. Now today we will see the new antibiotic. Today we will discuss then the new antibiotic. New antimicrobial agent chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol. Okay, it's a new antibiotic now. Chloramphenicol is a broad spectrum antibiotic. Broad spectrum antibiotic. Chloramphenicol, it is obtained from, originally it is obtained from Streptomyces species. Chloramphenicol, it is obtained from the Streptomyces species. Nowadays, it is obtained now. It is now obtained by a synthetic process. The antibiotic, it is prepared by microorganisms and killed by the microorganisms. Chloramphenicol, it is obtained by originally Streptomyces species. Nowadays it is obtained by synthetic process made by the chemical method directly. It's a synthetic process. Chloramphenicol, it is having the yellow color. उसका कलर कैसा आता है? It's a yellowish color, yellowish white solid. And taste is bitter, slightly bitter in the taste. Now, chloramphenicol is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It is effective. Against gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria Rickettsia mycoplasma. Generally, chloramphenicol is a broad spectrum. It is similar to the tetracycline. Now, tetracycline is also broad spectrum antibiotic, but they act gram positive, gram negative bacteria, gram positive, gram negative Ricketts, Mycobacterium, and Chlamydia. They affected these organisms. Okay. Now, chloramphenicol is act as bacteriostatic. You know the bacteriostatic. Bacteriostatic means inhibit the growth of microorganism. That is called the bacteriostatic. it should not kill, but they are stop the growth of bacteria. That is antimicrobial, is act as an antimicrobial activity. Chloramphenicol having the antimicrobial activity is a bacteriostatic. It inhibits the growth of bacteriostatic action. Now the mechanism action. Mechanism of action. The chloramphenicol, it is act as a bacteriostatic and act by inhibiting the synthesis of bacterial protein by attaching to 50S ribosomes. Now it's a mechanism action. Chloramphenicol is act by inhibiting the protein synthesis, inhibiting the bacterial protein synthesis. Now this is the protein synthesis attaching where 50S ribosomes. कहाँ पे होगा inhibition take place the 50S. Now tetracycline is act by inhibiting protein synthesis by attaching the 30S ribosome. 30S ribosome in the tetracycline. Okay, it is a different agent. Now here is a chloramphenicol mechanism action. It is act by inhibiting the protein synthesis, attaching the 50S ribosome. They can, that process they are at inhibit in the nucleic acids. Okay. Okay. Now next, it is rapidly and completely absorbed from GIT. It is rapidly, completely absorbed by GIT, gastrointestinal tract में immediate absorb हो जाएगा and then well distributed in the body fluids. Well absorption होने के बाद well distributed in body fluids. It crossed the blood-brain barrier. It crossed blood-brain barrier. Okay. Metabolism takes place in the coagulation pleasure. Metabolism takes place by the conjugated reaction and excreted through the urine. Okay. Now the adverse effect, the side effect. First, chloramphenicol cause first, most important adverse effect first, cause depression of bone marrow. That is a major adverse effect. Depression of bone marrow. It's a very serious and a major serious side effect. Always ask in the annual examination, chloramphenicol, write down their adverse effect. That time you can write down depression of the bone marrow. Sometime that cause the fatal. Second, that is a major disadvantage. Now the second, hypersensitivity reaction. It's a common for all antibiotic. Hypersensitivity reactions. The reactions are reaction on the causes the skin rashes, fever, glossitis, inflammation of the tongue, glossitis, double S, glossitis, inflammation of the tongue, angioedema is also cause the supra infection. Last time I told you supra infections, when you can use the such antibiotic, they damage the skin and intestinal flora, intestinal flora. Such infection called as the supra infections. And important is caused gray baby syndrome. Gray baby syndrome. Gray baby syndrome is generally occur in the neonate, that is a 1-2 week child and infants. छोटा बच्चा 1 साल के अंदर, और ये within 1 month baby is having the neonate. It may be cause gray baby syndrome character is show the character vomiting, कंटिन्यू वोमिटिंग होने का, abnormal नहीं, abdominal पेट का शेप distension should be changed, बढ़ जाना. Another thing is irregular respiration should not continue, it should be irregular. vomiting होना, पेट की साइज चेंज हो जाना, irregular respiration, and which may result in cyanosis, shock and death. Okay, उसका क्या होता है रिजल्ट? cyanosis, skin become a blemishness. Skin is having the blemishness, that the color, the cyanosis and the hemoglobin should be reduced. The excessive concentration reduced in the hemoglobin in the blood, and skin become is a bluish. That is called the cyanosis. उसमें shock आता, and the death. Finally, death. That is gray baby syndromes. Are you understand? Gray baby syndrome is occur in the neonate and the infant. 1 महीने के अंदर का बच्चा मीन्स 1 or 2 वीक का बेबी और इन्फेंट्स उसको होता है. तो उसमें क्या होता है, विच इज़ हैविंग द कैरेक्टराइज सिम्टम्स इज शो. बच्चा वोमिटिंग करता कंटिन्यूस, एबनॉर्मल डाइस्टेंशन, पेट की साइज चेंज हो जाती, बढ़ जाता, एंड इरेगुलर रेस्पिरेशन is happen frequently, and which may the result cause cyanosis, skin become bluish, reduce the hemoglobin in the blood concentration बहुत कम हो जाता, and the shock and the death is occur. That is neonatal. The liver enzyme needed to the metabolize of the drug are not fully developed. Therefore, use in the infant when absolutely essential. जो ज़रूरत होगी तो बच्चों को यूज़ कर दें, क्योंकि छोटा बेबी का लीवर इज नॉट मैच्योर, बट दिस हैपन. These are the major adverse effect. Sometime question write down the major adverse effect. Depression of bone marrow, it's a very serious, is a common hypersensitive skin rashes, fever, glossitis, angioedema, and edema, nausea, vomiting. His biological effect is a supra-infection. Skin and the mucous membrane of intestine is a damage, and the gray baby syndrome. Sometimes ask, write down the drug which having the gray baby, which drug is produced the gray baby syndromes. You must be remember chloramphenicol. Okay. Now the preparation. The dose is given in the orally 250 preparation and dose. Preparation and doses is given 250 mg or 500 mg capsule. You may also use intramuscular and intravenous liquid preparation. Ophthalmic preparation or use ophthalmic preparation or use 2 drops. Okay. Now then, next, therapeutic use of the chloramphenicol. Therapeutic uses of chloramphenicol. Okay. First, it is used in treatment of typhoid. ये टाइफाइड के लिए यूज करते हैं. चॉइस ऑफ द ड्रग. टाइफाइड वापस रिवर्ट हो गया है. इट्स अ चॉइस ऑफ द ड्रग इज क्लोराम्फेनिकोल. चॉइस ऑफ द ड्रग इज chloramphenicol. Okay. It is used in treatment of urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infections is most effective. It is use one drug or use with 2 or more drug. It is used in the combination. Third, it is used treatment of meningitis. Earlier I told you meningitis, inflammation of the brain. Chloramphenicol is given penetrate the blood-brain barrier. Is also given the drug. Topically, it is used for ocular infection, ocular infections, eye infections. Is there used by topical administration. Topically you can use the ocular and the trachoma के लिए भी use करते. And the trachoma is also used in the trachoma. Next, it is used in the whooping cough. It is used in the whooping cough. And it is used the infection of abdomen and pelvic region. Infection caused by पेट और pelvic regions. आपको pelvic region पता है, दोनों के बीच में ये लेग रहता, ये लेग और यहाँ पे अपना पेट रहता. In that regions, urinary output, that is a pelvic region. They are used. It is used in the anaerobic conditions. It is used in the anaerobic infection. Anaerobic infection. Okay. Now these are the chloramphenicol. Next drug you can see the streptomycin, that is the last antibiotic, microbial. Then finish the antibiotic. Next time see the another streptomycin. Now streptomycin, another drug is the streptomycin. Streptomycin, it is generally used as a anti-tubercular drug. anti drug used in treatment of the TB, anti-tubercular drug, is a streptomycin. Streptomycin, it is act by previous is act is a drug is a bacteriostatic. Now it is used as a they act as an antimicrobial. It show the antimicrobial activity is a bactericidal. The drug are used to kill the bacteria, that is called the bactericidal. Kill the bacteria or microorganisms, that is called the bactericidal. Then streptomycin, it is effective against mycobacterial tuberculosis, most commonly used in the TB tuberculosis. The drug are effective against the mycobacterial tuberculosis. It is effective against also gram positive bacteria, gram negative bacteria. It is most active against the mycobacterial tuberculosis. It is effective against E. coli infection. It is effective the H. influenza. H. influenza is microorganisms. These are most effective, and it act by the mechanism of action. Generally, it is mechanism of action. It is act by preventing the protein synthesis. Preventing the protein it is act by preventing the protein synthesis. That is a mechanism of action. Now streptomycin is inactivated by orally, because in the stomach the acidity, due to the acid, streptomycin is inactive. That's why it is not given orally. It is rapidly absorbed by subcutaneous and the intramuscular. They are given by route. The route is given by subcutaneous and the intramuscular. After absorption, it is well distributed in the fluids, in the body fluids. It does not penetrate cerebrospinal fluid. It does not penetrate. ये cerebrospinal fluid across नहीं करता. Okay. It is excreted through the. It is not metabolized, and it is excreted through the unchanged form in the kidney. Okay. Now see the side effects. Next should be the side effect. There the adverse effect. The major adverse effect of streptomycin caused ototoxicity, inflammation of ear. Ototoxicity, that is inflammation of ear. कान में सूजन आ जाती. These are the major adverse effect, and is also having along with that the deafness. Deafness means hearing loss, सुनाई नहीं देता आपको. और vertigo, self sensation or rotation or preventing movement. This is happen is the ototoxicity के साथ में डिफिनेस, वर्टिगो, टिटेनियस. Another is a TS. कान में कुछ तो भी साउंड आने का, रिंगिंग, बजलिंग. कान में कुछ तो भी साउंड आता आपका, गुड़गुड़ डुगुड़ कुछ तो भी आवाज़ आता, आप बोलते कान में आवाज़ आ रहा, कान में आवाज़ आ रहा. दैट इज कॉल्ड द tinnitus. Okay, that's tinnitus. Ototoxicity, inflammation of ear, deafness, loss of ear, vertigo, movement, sensation, चक्कर हुआ ऐसा, loss. Tinnitus, that is a buzzing, ringing, some sound came in the ear is happen. This is the major adverse effect, ototoxicity, and streptomycin cause. Another adverse effect is nephrotoxicity. Nephrotoxicity directly affecting the kidney. Damage the kidney. Inflammation of the kidney, nephritis, damage to kidney and directly affect to the kidney. That is called the nephrotoxicity. Is also caused as the supra infections. See, so many antibiotic is having the biological effect is the supra infections. Skin and the intestinal flora is totally damaged, and chest infection is called as the supra infections. Okay, now these are the adverse effect of the streptomycin. Now therapeutic use. Therapeutic uses of streptomycin. First, it is used in treatment of commonly used tuberculosis and other mycobacterial infections. And the choice of drug used for streptomycin. Commonly used the drug for both conditions for streptomyces. Second, it is used in treatment of plague. आपको पता है plague. Plague disease is caused by the rodents, causing by Francisella tularensis. टेम्परेचर बढ़ जाता, आदमी मर जाता प्लेग में आउट ऑफ सडन. थर्ड, यूरिनरी ट्रैक. इट इज यूज इन ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ यूरिनरी and the respiratory respiratory tract infections. It is used in the treatment of subacute bacterial endocarditis. Okay. And the last point is preparation and the doses. Then microbial streptomycin sulfate dose is 0.5 to 1 gram is used intramuscular or subcutaneous. Okay, finish. The dihydrostreptomycin is more toxic. Dihydrostreptomycin is more toxic, hence it is not used. Because of that, not used. Streptomycin are used directly. Streptomycin sulfate are used dose 0.5 to 1 gram. Now these are the used. Streptomycin preparation and the dose. This chapter is closed. Next time we will see the new